How to fix blurry Instagram stories. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will show you the way on how you can fix blurry Instagram stories. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now sometimes when you try to upload a story, or maybe sometimes even a normal picture on an Instagram app, and you notice that it's a bit blurry. So how do we fix that? Well, the very first thing you have to do is just make sure that your internet connection is on point, which means that if you have an slow internet connection, your Instagram app is going to adjust that automatically and upload the quality in that way. So you can also customize a small setting from within the Instagram application, and to do that, just make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your respective app store. In the search box, typing in Instagram. Go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Instagram app, I want you to go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now come to your profile page. Tap on the three lines which is at the top right corner of the screen. Go to the option called Settings. Once you go to Settings, go to Account. Once you go to Account, go to the option called Mobile Data Use. Over here you can see high resolution media, which means that currently it is set to Wi-Fi only. So if you want to upload high resolution photos from your data as well, you can select the option called Mobile plus Wi-Fi, which means that if you are using a normal cellular data, that could be one of the reasons why you're facing blurry picture issue. But still, you can try to fix that by going to Mobile plus Wi-Fi option. But if not, then you can simply leave it to Wi-Fi. I'd also recommend you can see the data saver. So it says that when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. And not only that, it is going to adjust the quality of anything you do on Instagram accordingly. If you have a slow data, it means that it is going to go ahead and adjust the quality of those. So make sure to just turn off this toggle. And this way, now you can just go ahead and try to upload a picture or a video or anything you want, and you'll most likely notice that it isn't as good as the original quality. And this is how you can go ahead and fix blurry pictures on Instagram stories or Instagram posts. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.